How can we expect to do great things in life when we don't have a connection with Allah? How are we supposed to achieve greatness in life when we don't have a connection with Allah? How do we expect to see the greatness of Allah when we don't have a connection with Allah? How do we expect to change the world when we don't have a connection with Allah? For the better. For the worse, we can change the world, definitely. And it's very easy. How hard is it to earn haram money? Very easy. How hard is it to do zina? Very easy. How hard is it to drink alcohol? Very easy. How hard is it to do drugs? Very easy. But how hard is it to commit yourself to Allah? Extremely hard. How hard is it to pray salah 5 times a day? Extremely hard. How hard is it to suppress your nafs and give the rights to another Muslim? It is very hard. How hard is it to give away your food when you're hungry to someone who is more needy than you? It is extremely hard. Why are these things hard? It's because we don't have a connection with Allah. If we had a connection with Allah, the world we see today, we would see it through different views. This is the same world that the Sahaba Ikram lived in. But they had no materialistic value of this world.